Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up the voicemail on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to actually set up the voicemail, you need to open the phone app and then tap on this icon in order to open the dial pad. Now, in order to set up the voicemail, we need to go to the voicemail first, and the number for the voicemail, of course, depends on the carrier that we have, and we can press and hold 1 in order to call the voicemail. So I'm gonna choose SIM 1 as I have 2 SIM cards, and now I can just set up or follow the instructions that will be heard through the call in order to fully set up the voicemail. If you don't have the voicemail working, if it doesn't work I mean, then we can go to the top right corner and tap on these 3 dots and then go to settings. Then over here we want to go to voicemail. I'm gonna select SIM 1, then go to advanced settings, and over here you have number. So you will need to get the voicemail number, which once again depends on the carrier. So most likely you will need to Google the number for the voicemail of your operator, of your carrier, of your service, and then enter it over here and then press OK. And after that you can simply go back to the dial pad as before and press and hold 1 in order to call the voicemail and set it up. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!